Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I guess my kid Abel started taking apart his car, so I guess we'll go out there and see what they're doing and what they need to do. And guess here we go, going out the door. I don't know. These guys are over here messing with stuff already. These guys got parts everywhere, it looks like, already. If it's not in there, it's in the toolbox, the black one on the right side.
I didn't know if it'd be in the box.
You guys just pulling stuff out, my CDs and stuff. So, guess we'll see here what's going on. There's Abel over there. Where'd he go? He's right there somewhere. So, back on the hatch, I guess, and looks like they already got the valve cover off. So, if any of y'all want to know, it's just base model K series in here, 5-speed. So guess this is what they're doing. So it looks like we got a whole bunch of parts here and stuff. Like got a whole bunch of new bolts and stuff. We bought factory Honda stuff for it. And there's an oil pump in there, and then he's got a timing chain set, a water pump, valve cover gasket, 2 different valve cover gaskets. We'll see which one he's going to use. I guess that's kind of where we're at. What did you guys do, Abel? I was in there.
We just started. Just got started.
Well, it looks like you guys did some stuff. What did you guys do?
It's in the air and got the valve cover off.
So that's it.
Drain the oil. And right now we're trying to pull this wheel off.
How's that going?
He can't find the key.
Yeah, let's just go over here. I know where stuff is, but he didn't listen at all because he didn't hear that. And I said, "Okay, open that drawer right there. Open it. Now move those papers." Whoa! No! Stop going that way. Yeah, hey, look, it's right.
All under the rest.
That's,
two of them.
you only need one, man.
I still don't know which one
put
I
it
need.
back.
This
When you're done.
guy, I don't know which one I need.
Oh yeah?
This thing needs to stay in my car.
No.
This guy, they come from the dealership with the car, man.
Do you know why those don't stay in your car? Like,
Oh,
that's the wrong one for that one, but it's the right one for the other one, so you do need one of the other.
God damn,
Yeah,
man.
yeah. But why do you not leave them in the car?
Oh, I guess, yeah, somebody's gonna steal the wheel easier.
Yeah, I mean, if they were just some stock wheels or something, maybe.
Mine are some stock wheels.
Yeah, stock like Type R type wheels. What the hell's going on over here? Well, your Integra, yeah, but still, those are still wheels people want.
Yeah, they just go, you can walk up with a 19, blah, I want them.
Yeah, that's what it is.
This guy, listen.
So, I don't know.
2 matching ones in the car.
I don't know.
It'll be done soon.
That's what this guy says. I
I
don't know.
need the gun.
Don't
Guess
forget
we'll
to subscribe, you know.
This guy.
Hit the likes, all that stuff.
We're gonna come back once they get a little further. Alright, so they took off valve cover. What did it take off valve cover, guys?
A few minutes.
A few minutes. That's not helping nobody know what they need.
A 10 millimeter.
What?
Just took a 10 mil.
They're saying it just took 10. Get the valve cover off.
And then we had to take off the...
He says you have to take off the coil harness.
And
the coils, I guess. They're forgetting all that stuff, but...
so what I need to take it out? You didn't need anything to take out the coils that are in your hand.
Tons too, yeah.
Everything was
now they need to put it to top dead center. And
Bud said he was gonna do that. Here you go, Bud.
as you can see, maybe I need some more light. I can see it, but the camera does not seem to see it. But there's an arrow. You gotta go up, and then there's another mark on the other cam. I'm trying to make it so you can see it, but the light trips out the camera. So
we'll get back when we take.
we're gonna have to do that, and other thing. They're gonna try to do it in the car. I know it's possible on a stock car, but
this is not a stock car.
I've never done it on a car swap, so we're gonna see how much difficult that is. But obviously we have to pull this the whole cover off. We're gonna have to pull this motor mount off, and we're gonna have to see from there. So Abel says he thinks that's it. So we're gonna see, and
we still gotta do the valve or the oil pan.
he's still gotta take the oil pan off for the oil pump, but I'll probably add that in here after we get that far. So just give us a few and we'll be right back. I guess for you guys we'll be back in a minute.
After two separate ones, you're probably gonna have to put the mount back on when you do the oil pan.
No, you're not. You're gonna have to put a jack or jack stand on the tranny side to keep the support. There's still two mounts. It should be fine, but you should be able to figure it out. So
we're gonna figure it out.
Where are we at? Okay, so this is where we're at, guys. So we're trying to line up the cams and then go from there and see. I'm just doing it with 15/16. This is what I grabbed off the wall, guys, and it fits the cam. But apparently, I'm not seeing how it's lining up too well. Here you go, Abel. Like that one. Oh, there you go. Okay, so I'm hitting stuff now. Wow. Fit on that other lobe, but now it don't want to fit, huh? There we go. The compression. So the arrow's supposed to be up. And that looks like those are both up. Damn, no, I can't get the damn wrench back, guys.
Give me the wrench.
So, wrench. Don't listen to me on that one. It's probably not the right one.
It's probably a little bit too small.
But
we could just.
It looks like the timing's on. You need to move. Let's see here.
I'm gonna have to check the hole when the cover comes off.
Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna have to do. I don't see no mark on this crank pulley. At least not for that.
Okay.
You don't see nothing down here, do you? Oh, I see a mark. Look, it's lined up right there, guys.
Okay.
Can you get in there and see it?
I see the scratch mark on the back.
I don't know if you guys can actually see it, but there is.
Right on the back side.
Trying to get you in there. There's a little arrow on the plastic and a mark behind it.
Right on the back side of the pulley.
So, trying to show you, but
yeah, that's a really tough one to see.
I'm just out here to help them a little bit, but I kind of got to show them stuff too. What's going on here? This wire's the stuff.
That's the wire I asked you.
That cover has to come off, so
I don't know what that went to, but so yeah, that's where we're at, guys. I guess now we're gonna try to maybe take the motor mount off right here, and then maybe start going from there. So we'll be right back and tell you what it took and maybe how hard it is to do. Alright, guys, so got two bolts out for mount or 17s.
Bright light, man.
You're gonna figure this one out. It kind of pulled the whole bolt out, so first gonna have to get the nut off and see what's up with the threads, try to fix the threads. The whole car shakes a lot, but not really. Not much.
Maybe not with the motor jacked up.
This guy gonna get it?
Oh, it started coming and I cut myself.
I cut himself.
Or I felt like I cut myself. I cut that.
There we go. So I got 3 17s down here in this hole, guys.
This little hole.
Let's have to do some light. Try to.
It's all crammed.
Just because we gotta take the whole mount off, because obviously
no room.
There's not a whole lot of room, so I don't know.
Where are we getting it down?
Everybody I've seen do swaps. Usually they have the whole motor out, but we put it in and
didn't think about any of this.
Wasn't thinking it was gonna be a problem when I checked the timing before, but now I'm looking at it, it might be a problem.
On top of the
But oil pump may be good, but we're just gonna put a factory Honda one in. He already bought it, he paid the money, so that's where we're at. And this guy's gotta get these 3
Help if we had
17s
a
out.
ratcheting 17
I do somewhere, but people touch all the tools, so I don't know where anything goes. So. But, yep, that's where we're at, guys, and I guess once we get a little more where we can try to show you stuff and see what the hell's going on. But next will be 10s to get the cover off, so you'll kind of see it, but lighting ain't the greatest, but I guess you can't really see it. I don't know. We got a 10 down there, we got a few 10s. Yeah, but 10s to get
the cover.
solenoid or whatever off in the cover, but
gonna be.
We'll show you that in a minute here. All right. So next, you're gonna want to take this mount off, which is just a block side mount and stuff. But it's 14. I'm trying to show you guys, but it's kind of hard. And then after that, we'll be getting these 10s for the. And this light makes it hard to see, but there's the 10s. We got another one here, a few more. Pull the solenoid out, and this guy, that's too big, man. You gotta.
Gave me, man.
This guy's not thinking here.
Yeah, I told him to give me a 14.
This is not. There's not room like a stock car on this, but
we got this. Is what we got. That's what Abel gave me.
We'll see what happens.
This is what Abel gave me.
See what happens, but we'll take all that apart and kind of let you know what happened after that. Before you guys get too far, if you're needing this help, you got this serpentine belt that probably should have already been taken off.
Oops.
And stuff. So
Talk to this guy. He said what we were doing.
Looks like 12 maybe. Is that 12 or 14?
We got a 14 right here.
This guy wants to check it.
You're taking the belt off?
Well, you're gonna have to. It's all gonna be in the way now.
Obviously, this guy didn't know. Seems like a 14.
So you gotta put that on there.
I'm trying to put this down.
Alright, I'm just gonna stuff you guys right here. Yeah, it's not really showing you guys nothing, is it? Yep, stuffing you there didn't help. Now we're stuck. Okay, so tensioner right here where this guy's trying to get it. No, you can't. You're not loosening it, man. What are you doing? Stop. Stop. No, take this because you're not getting it. Yeah. So it's not what you're doing. You're not trying to break the bolt loose. Look. Now pull the belt off. Now pull the belt off. That's all you had to do. I can't go anymore, and the motor's.
I'm doing it one-handed, trying to hold the camera here, bud.
Well, I was supposed to do the camera. That didn't happen. It's out here helping you.
I thought we were just taking the bolt off.
So, the belt's off. Now it's out your way. Now we can kind of get to the cover, but next he needs to maybe get the size for the crank to get the crank off. And there's the belt.
The crank's in 18. I got that somewhere here.
What you need it on the gun. You're gonna have to try to do it.
I got the big
You didn't
gun
pull
right
the belt
here.
off. This guy just threw the belt on the crank.
I'm trying to get down here, but you're in the way of me getting down there to actually get it around this shit.
You gotta remember how it went.
Did you remember that?
I don't know. Do I?
Probably.
We're gonna have to see.
Yeah. You're
Let's
my
see if it's gonna loosen.
You're my rebuilder guy.
Is it all the way up?
No, it's only a 2.
Okay,
Try out 3.
hopefully it works. Here we go. There we go.
I just needed the 3.
All right.
A little bit up here.
I know. I watched it down here.
And then I
Get
gotta
that
watch
off.
that. Let me pull it out.
Wiggle it off.
Oh, this one's a lot nicer than my car was. My car was stuck on that bitch.
Set that somewhere where you're not gonna lose it. Are you trying to lose it? Huh? Make sure you guys don't lose the Carter key and the crank pulley, because then you gotta go to the store and buy one.
Yeah, that's.
But here we go. So,
We're probably still gonna need to turn it
so now you guys can see we got some 10s. I'm trying to give you guys light, but it's not working. We got some 10s there, 10s there, and don't forget you gotta get the ones on the bottom for the oil pan to get that off. And you gotta get the sensor out.
This one.
Yeah.
Yep, you gotta unplug that. You gotta pull that sensor out, or just take the 10 out and pull the
And then
sensor out.
solenoid thing up
Okay,
here.
or not.
Sensor's out.
Solenoid up here.
Oh yeah.
Solenoid, yep, gotta get that one off the solenoid right here, guys. So that's kind of where we're at. So we're gonna start taking some more stuff apart, and I'll let you know from there.
Can I get a 10?
Guys, pulled the solenoid out. So this is why my thought is the oil pump's bad. Can somebody hold this or something?
Gotcha.
So I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying to get some light. Maybe it's coming out better than I think. But whoop, I think I touched it.
Yeah,
Kind of.
you over my finger too much.
This light's just too bright. There's like metal all in it. Just trying to show you guys, and you kind of see it
In the center of the filter.
in the center of it. So that's my assumption. The oil pump's eating itself. So that's why we're doing this, and the timing we're doing, because we're already here. We're just going that far. So
You're gonna see it once you're in there, you know what I mean?
That's what Abel says. We're gonna see it once we're in there, but we'll find out. We'll let you guys see it once we're there. I don't know. So where we're at, but we got the cover off. I don't know who
Did this before
did this before us, but this motor was bought out of a car, and you can see the different color links, and none of them match up, but they're all three links away. And then you got one down here, you can see it's pretty much 3 links away from all the marks, but that should still mean the timing's in timing, but it makes me not really trust people's stuff and the metal I've seen, so we gotta do the oil pump. So I guess we'll probably see you tomorrow or the next day whenever we're back here tearing this apart. He's gotta pull the oil pan off still, and then clean all the stuff, and then I guess I'll be coming to help make sure everything's lined up where it's supposed to be, and then yeah, that's when I'll probably tell you guys what all you need at that point. Like, all you've really needed at this point is like a 10, a 14, and a 17, like a normal Honda. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, it's not tomorrow yet, but just realized this when we were touching stuff, guys. I guess this is loose, and this is loose. This 10 right here is loose. This one's loose. This one's loose. This one's loose. So we're gonna have to look up the torque spec for that and retorque these. So guess we'll see you guys tomorrow. We got more to do now. Great.